Here we are, here we are, here we are, here we are. You know, it's about that time. It's about that time. We are back in office. It's about that time. It is about that time. What up, cuz? Back in office. It's about that time. It is about that time. Back in office, preparing for the new week. I hope you guys are ready for this market breakdown. You guys will love it. Definitely. I've got my whole setup here. Hope you guys are ready for this one. Our market breakdown is here. Hope y'all are ready. Good luck for the week, cuz. Thanks a lot. I hope you also have an amazing week, bro. So what you guys having for the week? Let me go live with somebody and let's see what you guys gotta say to me for the week. What do you have? So once I'm done with my ice cream, please save it. I'm gonna run out of data soon. Yeah, I'll do that. What's up, big man?
Hey, yo, Ash.
What's good, buddy?
What's up, man?
I'm nice. You want some ice cream?
Yeah, good, bro. Speaking with Spoon. Yeah. Speaking with Spoon all the way from Monhla, man, in KZN.
All the way from Pongola.
Yes, man. I don't know if you know that place.
Pongola. I've heard of Pongola, KZN. Which side is it, KZN?
Sorry?
Which side? Like north, east of KZN? Which side?
No, it's Monhla in KZN before you reach Richards Bay, you know.
Oh, I see. Okay, I see, bro. That's nice, man. Are you ready for the market breakdown?
Yeah. But I've got nothing much.
Come in.
Yeah.
I think you should go. Oh, shop. You know, what is going relaxation. Okay, shop. I think go down. I think it's very loud. Go on over next night time. I mean, next night time. So I'm going to sort out first.
Yeah,
big man.
I've got a brief story, man. As you are my inspiration, eh?
Yeah, man, it makes me happy. I'm glad I could manage to actually get across that fire, especially like, cause all I try to do, people, I don't know, obviously it depends on how people see it, but like, I've made my fair share like I've made my money from like a few years ago. So right now I try to create, like, whenever I've got spare time, try to put my spare time on other people, like through the internet, because I don't teach anymore. I don't do like classes, so it's quite difficult for me to get across, and I've got a big passion for changing lives. So I try to use the internet, like your Telegram, your Instagram. I try to use a lot of platforms that are on the internet to actually allow me to get across in terms of like helping you. I don't know. Are you in the channel? Are you in the Telegram channel?
Yes, I do. I am in your Telegram channel as well. I am in the Telegram channel.
Yeah, you see what I got there with the channels, that with everything that I give, you need to always go into your analysis, also understand that where I'm actually coming from, because we are not just sitting together and taking the trade, and it is a free platform,
Yes.
And I did it for free because I wanted to have the flexibility to be able to share any possible move that I see. I don't want to be like, no, I can't tell you sell because you paid. I want to share any possible shift that I see in the market, understand, and make sure that my accuracy is always coming on point, man. So that's my initial goal, and I feel like it's been working.
I got you. But then maybe before I can go off, I just want to share my little story with you, and maybe with the members who are online here live with you as well, né?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's like last year, I've literally lost my job. I was a pump attendant, né? I was a pump attendant. And I came to a point whereby I lost my job due to pandemic, this thing of pandemic and stuff, you know.
Yes, yeah.
So since a lot of people, yes, since a lot of people who are surrounding me, they know that I'm involved in Forex trading, though I didn't have that much knowledge in Forex. I came to a point whereby I lost about 45K in total. I'm not saying this because I need some funds from anyone. You know, I just believe that God have put me to this situation because I must have a history beyond, you know.
Yeah,
So
I
I've
get you.
literally lost about 45K by January, this month that we are from.
Shit.
So yes, it's too much for me. I came to a point whereby people who have been giving me pressure coming to me, want them to invest like their money through Forex, and I've lost all that money. Yes. So as a point, yes, as I was still waiting for my money from my work, like provident fund money, as well as the labor money and stuff, you know. So I'll need to use that money to pay these people back their money. So for me, I'll be like hustling backward. But for the fact that I know Forex is gonna take me to the next point of level, since I've made some money through Forex, though I've lost some. And I wanna say, man, you are inspiration to me. Yes, I've lost some, but your work, man, keep like it's encouraged me. That's all I can say, man. That's all I can say.
Wow, man, I appreciate it. Yeah, I don't know how to how to actually, but I appreciate. I'm happy, you know. I'm happy because it's just, you know, yeah, the goal really is when I went public, it was to be able to touch the next person because I never really had anybody local. Ukuthi, nakhona ukumfundisa ngabona kuye, like I'll be like, yo, that's the guy that I want to learn from. So even right now, there's nothing mina that I want to do, but
Yes.
I can't really, I don't have anybody like that I look up to. So whenever I want to work on something, I really have to put my mind
Yes.
on it. I don't have I don't have anybody I'd be like, yo, I want to be like that guy. I want to be like anybody close to me or anybody that I feel like I can reach them. You know, anybody reachable. That I don't have that.
Yes,
So
my guy.
if I want to do something, I have to now start thinking of people like, I don't know, I must start thinking of Bill Gates, I must start thinking of Petrus Motsepe, you know, people who are really far from me,
Yes.
you
I
know,
like that.
which is not a bad thing, but I want somebody that I'm able to share my story with and be like, yo, listen, this is what I'm going through, man, and I'm trying to get to where you are, you know.
I got you, man. I got you.
So
Yes.
that's what I struggled with from the word go. So that's why even with like the breaks that I've got with you or with like everybody that follows me, every people that actually do look up to what I do, I try bridge that. I try communicate with whoever that I can when I can. So you really that inspiration gets sharpened because I never had anybody like that, and I feel like that's very important. Like right now you're going through your patch and you and I are able to talk like this. You can feel that, no, listen, it's only a part of the road, man. I've lost weight, like if I've lost how much, I've had a lot of downfalls through my journey, understand? But what I can tell is that you gotta stay up, understand, dude? You've gotta stay up, you gotta stay pushing. You know, I always say this in simple form that like if I work so hard ukuthi if I fall off namhlanje, like let's say I lose everything enginayo namhlanje, kunabantu abaningi
I got you.
who are dependent on me, understand? Like not I'm not talking about Instagram, I'm talking about
Yes.
the family asekhaya, like people who depend on me like anytime ukuthi mangawa mina mfethu kunabantu abaningi ngeke balale badlile kunabangeke baye ezikolweni kunabanye imoto ziyothatha ibhanki kunabanye like a lot of things are gonna happen if I lose myself, you understand?
Ngiyakuthola
So,
vele bhuti.
yeah, so understand what I've got on my back and what you've got on your back. We're facing two different things, but they are both very big challenges. So don't underestimate it. Ungaphela amandla, like just go at it. You must watch my breakdown now. I'm gonna save it. I am gonna post a video also, a proper video of the breakdown on my wall. Go through that. You know, don't take your time on the market for granted. You understand? Don't take your time. People think this industry is pap and flays because of the lifestyle that's around it. Like how I just go shopping and spend like 300,000 in clothes, and then I'm always looking good, like, you know, just like it's effortless, you know. But here it's hard work, bro. Here it's dedication. Here it's consistency. Here it's effortless. Understand? Somebody in the comments say KBM says the drip lord. You know, the drip, that word, for somebody, when somebody says the drip lord, it sounds like it's a fun thing to say. But to afford, it needs hard work. Understand? You know, the other day, let me make an example. Before I let you go, make an example. The other day, somebody said to me, wow, hey, you're driving a dad's car. You see? So I was like, wow, this guy thinks I'm driving my dad's car. At first, I took it as, yeah, you know, at first I took it as an insult. Like, why would you say I'm driving my dad's car? Do you think I can't do it? But then later on, while I was driving, my body came to the estate. I was like, damn it, man, that's actually quite a compliment. That means I've worked so hard that I've breached all my bad nonsense, all the things of me living in a shack, me living in Soweto, me living in backyards. I've worked so hard that my hard work was able to cover up all those struggles. And all people see now is a hardworking man who looks to come from a very rich family. You understand? So yeah, all I can say to you, man, is just don't stop, keep going. And let me get on with this breakdown. Let's give people what they want. Now, God bless, big man. Be safe. Yeah, I can't hear you. Yeah, but here we go. I raised 500 to 10K within 2 days from you because of your leadership. God bless, man. God bless to the channel. More life to the channel. Can you please save the live? I definitely will. Can I ask some questions? Let's see. You've got questions. Okay, so I think we're about to get into the breakdown now. I'm almost done with my ice cream, guys. Patience is key. Thanks to the guy that came on live with us. He's able to share a bit of his story and how inspirational. It's crazy that the things that people will go through. Let's add one more person before we go. When I'm moving, because I want some mom for now. Some other live video. I'm a sip. Bizu comment our live video. I got data and I have friend.
Hey, how's it, man?
Big man, what's good?
Hey, I'm good, man.
I'm nice.
I can't hear you, you know. What is saying?
Where are you from? Where are you from? Like,
hey, I'm from Ladysmith, man. Do you know Ladysmith?
I know Ladysmith, man. Is that place full of ladies? Why do they call it Ladysmith?
No, it's just Ladysmith. No ladies here.
I thought maybe it's Ladysmith because you know the mummies are too much. Then.
No. Ladies are on your side.
Yeah, you know, Gauteng is a crazy place. But how is it, man? How's it going? Have you traded before? How's it going?
Yeah, I've been trading since 2015, but when I end the profits, bro. I was not doing profits. I started doing profits last year on October.
Shit. And how's it going, man? How's it going?
I stopped trading on January. I blew up 72,000.
SS. Oh.
Yeah, but I did some.
Okay. Now, you must hit me up in the DMs and then we can speak. Maybe I can help you where I can, eh?
Oh, okay, no problem. Because I was looking for your link also.
Okay, now I'll also send you the link. Send me a message. I'll send you the link.
Okay, we'll talk on I'll inbox you, eh?
Okay, no problem. Anyway, I hope you guys are good. Do I have a YouTube channel? No, we don't have a YouTube channel. I just do this out of my heart. I'm not fucking my grammar. I don't put my life on shooting content, videos, and wada. Like I need the money I'll be making from YouTube. I don't. 72K is not bad. No, look guy win. Okay, let's go. Cause you see, but clearly let's go. Let's get our breakdown right. Mom's done with my ice cream, guys. Ice cream ain't even nothing. Ice cream. Krotman Kobela schema. Schema. What's up, big man? Didn't sound like you good?
Not too bad.
Yes, bro. Your network is quite bad, eh? She's network. I see one little boy doing the most. Definitely. Ash for president. God bless. Are you going to do the breakdown for this week, my guy? Yes, we're about it. I see. I just so want to join your team so bad. Bundus, I'm here from Botswana. God bless. Kopela ice cream. Hey, Jacob fella. I'm almost done with this ice cream. I want to start. Can I show you how to get entries? I will. I'll show you guys. I'm teaching you how to be skillful in the market today. The goal for today, I'll be a 7-hour chauffeur because it seems unoccupied. Yeah, I am bored. Listen, so today, what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be showing you how to fuck up the market, how to catch the best entries in the market. Initially, I'm showing you how to manipulate the market, how to when to get in or when to get out, how to make the best money in the market. Okay, that's what I'm doing today. Let me just log into my platforms. Here you go. We're logging in. What's everybody say? Very cool. Just logging on the side as well. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get that. Just log in. So we're gonna be doing a nice breakdown on NASDAQ. I wanna give you guys an understanding on how actually to be able to access your not access. This is a market close today. Does not matter. Market can be closed. We can analyze, boss. You don't need an open market to analyze. Come on, that's simple math. I'm any 15-year-old watching. All right, show us. I'm about to relax. You don't pay me for this. But not Prince KB. Just relax. Problem is, come on, I'm in a good mood. So let's go, homie. Let's go. So you sound like you know me. You call me homie. Let's go. So I just logged into it. Get my chat right. Are you logged in here as well? Oh, if you logged in. Okay, that's fine. Stay on this page. That's the mouse. Okay. See, logging on the third screen. So I'm logging into this platform with 3 different screens. So, excuse me, I'm taking a bit loud. There we go. Nas 100. Nas. There you go. Let's get Nas 100 in the house. There you go. It's been. I just want to log in on all platforms, on all my devices, so I'm able to see different time frames and what I'm talking about. So you guys gotta be a bit patient if you really want to get to understand. Today we want to speak about entry point. Okay, come, let me watch your cards. With no women, but you may teach me how to trade. Like you, at least the knowledge. Isn't the market closed today, brother? Okay. So yeah, I never thought as people from Ottawa can make it until you happened. God bless you, man. You can make it from anywhere around the world, from the worst conditions. I'm dealing with different time frames, so I can be able to speak from a lot of perspectives and make you guys understand what I'm talking about. That's the overall measure of this goal. So obviously this is a live video. So when I turn the phone or the camera towards the screen, I might have to like put the phone like landscape vibes and things like that. So I hope that won't affect you on your phone. You have to tilt that, but that wouldn't be a problem. Which one is more powerful? NASDAQ or VIX 75? It's really on how you trade. You can still make money with currencies. It's all about how you trade. Don't worry, I'm gonna switch up the comments. Don't worry. Once I'm starting, okay, what do you think is low balance? Can you make? Okay, well, I was able to compile a strategy, but it gives me one more signal a day. So you think it's proper? A strategy that gives you one signal a day is fucking poor. Fucking poor, bro. Understand? You should be able to make a lot of money within an hour on a time frame. Come on, man. Let's see. So, I'll give you guys access on my trading view. So I like doing my analysis on my trading view. So please save this breakdown. I definitely will. Let's get to this. Let's do that. Show you guys, this is my this is how I tilt my screen and show you guys how my setup looks. This is my setup. It's my ring light right there. So yeah, give you guys a bit of an idea. So you guys got that. I'm gonna put the phone back up here and then just finish logging into all these platforms. And then finish logging on all these platforms, and then I will move the phone back again. There we go. I'll move my laptop stand a bit that way. Poisons, where are you? Hey, Babiola, I'm at home. It means I'm at home. I'm by the posing. I'm at home, Abu Dhabi. So here I am. Turn this. How do I turn this shit? Turn this landscape or some shit like that. Yeah, there we go. So you guys have an idea of what I'm doing or what I'm trying to actually do here. Let me do this. Let me get my phone out of there. Let's get this. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So all I want to do is make sure that you guys have access. I'm just setting this up nicely so that you guys are able to have a very good view of my laptop. Hold on. Just like that. There you go. So I'm gonna fix that just now, so you guys be a bit more patient. Remember that I can't really share my screen like as an automatic feature, so I've gotta just make means. I've gotta just make means to make sure y'all can actually see what's going on without having to complicate things. So let's turn off comments. How do I turn off these comments? Any guys want to say okay? There you go. Let's do that. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, we'll go to turning off the comments, guys. I'm turning off the comments. Turn off comments. So, just give me a second. Just please still be set up nicely. So, let me see, is the height appropriate? Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think the height is perfect. Yeah, I think that's perfect. Okay, fine. Here we go, guys. This is our market breakdown. I don't know if y'all can see the graph nicely. I'm gonna turn the comments back on and tell me if you guys can see the graph. And I see the thumbs there. Give me a bit of thumbs to see if you guys can see the graph. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up for the graph. If you guys can see the graph, I'm gonna start. Can you guys see? Are you guys? Is it clear? Thumbs up right there. Come on. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. You see the graph? Okay. See, y'all are ready to proceed. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Just remove this. So yeah, you guys can see that? Okay, cool. Let's go. So one thing that's very simple. This is NASDAQ, so I'm gonna open a 4-time frame. 4-time frame, and I just zoom out of there. So obviously you guys do have a proper image. Can we all see that graph nicely though? Okay. This guys need to talk. Yeah, sure. There's no filter. This is a filter. This is no filter. There's no filter here. Okay, fine. This is me zooming out. I just zoomed out of the charts. expand the screen so you guys can definitely see this. So how it works here, it's quite simple, guys. With NASDAQ, you trade NASDAQ with one star. NASDAQ is not complicated. NASDAQ does not need any sort of major technical. All you do if you just got into the market, it's a new week. Oh, turn off the comments. Sorry, turn off comments. Turn off comments. I'm sorry about that, guys. I forgot. Yes, so it's a new week on NASDAQ. What you need to do is quite simple. All here, you just come if you want to have a familiar breakdown of the market. You realize all you have to do is what's been happening on NASDAQ for the past 6 months. Let's just say 6 months. Actually, for the past 6 months, the market has been trying to recover since obviously the biggest market crash, which is our COVID that came last year. So ever since then, we've been pushing up. When we pushed, obviously, kept breaking highs and highs. So after zooming out on H4, all I want to do is just do something quite basic. I just want to highlight the lowest point that I can definitely pick up, which is there, And I say our all-time high as I look at the current price on H4 would be somewhere around that area there. It is our two highest and lowest points. From there, you don't have to do anything major. All I prefer you to do from there is just to zoom in. Zoom in to see the market a bit better, to see how it's been moving, As you zoom in, obviously, you start seeing things differently. You can only start probably looking at as far as the past 4 months or something. So I would want to say now from current price right now, this is March, right? Calculate. You always work with the past 6 months in terms of deal with history. History does not give you much. It just gives you a better understanding of what's been happening. And I tell you, NASDAQ has been moving the worst way possible ever since our market crashed that happened last year. But however, as indices, we are trying to recover. So I want to highlight I'm going to be analyzing this phase, the phase from last year, November, let's just say November 1st. November 1st, which should be around that section there. I'm just going to make my line a bit thick. So I put my blue line just like that. To move that, we'll do updates something. So I'm going to be analyzing this chart from this area. I'm going to be analyzing the chart from last year, 1st of November or 2nd of November. Right? What's been happening ever since? So all I'm going to do is just going to go into the chart. And from the 1st of November, I want to try pick up the highs and lows. Every single low that it produced on 4-hour time frame, I'm going to highlight it, which would be this low area here. This low area, I'm going to highlight them as I come. So the reality about technical trading or technical flow is that after every low, there will come a high. After a high, there will come a low. So obviously, highs and lows, this is the first high I see from here. So this is the first low I pick up from November 2nd. And then from there, I obviously now pick up the very first high point after November 2nd. So from last year, November, we've been having, this is the very first high that came around about the 9th of November after the market pushed quite heavy. This is H4. I'm picking up lows, highs and lows in H4 only. I'm not trying to go as deep in 15 minutes. I'm starting with the higher time frame. So high here, low here, there's another high here, right here. So as you look, technically what happens is that after every high comes a low. After every high comes a low. I don't know if you guys can see my cursor there. After every high comes a low. So what I'm going to do is just try to pick up highs and lows. High, low. There's another high that I pick up there. I'm trying to pick up very simple highs and lows. Look at this. After every high comes a low. After every high, that's one thing about technical, no matter the time frame. After every high comes a low. So let me see if I can pick up another low or a high. So if you look here, what's crazy is that whenever I spot out a high, automatically I take out the low. So I don't have to put another low section there, another horizontal or resistant or support for this low, because the previous high that I've picked up, that I've highlighted, automatically takes up the high. That's one thing that's amazing about technical trading. Look at this. I pick out this high, this low is out. This low is already highlighted. A lot of lows and highs, they actually identify each other like that, because technical history has been proven that history repeats itself. We trade the very same way. That's why it can never happen that there's 10 traders who are using 10 different strategies and 10 different trading styles. Reason being is because we all, if we are profitable traders, that means we're all trading the same understanding. Nobody's a superhero. high there. It's just if you are profitable. Some people just come in and have luck. Some people, if you're really a trader, then you know how to trade. High, took out this, low here, right? Every single, I'm gonna highlight another high here, is another high. As I zoom in, you guys can see what I'm talking about there. So technically, what you're always looking for in the market is your highs and lows, no matter the time frame. This is H4. So obviously the market started going up here. Is another high here. Take another low right there. See, previous high, next low. Previous high, next low. Previous low, every time, every single previous high has a low. Here's a low. So support and resistance is quite powerful. It's just all about how you understand it. Now, what I've done now, I've picked out highs and lows that I see from November, last year November. But look how crazy this is. I didn't come to this part of the graph here, right? I was just working with the uptrend that happened from here to actually here. But automatically, as I actually highlighted the highs and lows here, it also picked out highs and lows on this price here without me having to go and identify them there. That shows that history consistently repeats itself, no matter the case. Before we came, it will be like that even after. So now, I want to work with one phase of the market. I'm going to zoom into a certain part of the graph, and I'm going to show you guys how exactly to kill the chart. Now here, we're talking about entry point mastery. I said today's conversation is initially about how do you master your entry point, right? So I've done my breakdown. I've done my major breakdown from 4-hour time frame. And I tell you that all I can tell you is that for the past 6 months, NASDAQ has been pushing up and trying to recover. It has not been doing that in the best way possible, but I have been buying quite strong. That's one positive move I can tell you right now after I've just done my analysis of the past 6 months and identify the highs and low. Trading with NASDAQ or trading on NASDAQ, trading on as a technical trader does not need anything complicated. Stop trying to be a hero. Stop putting Fibonacci and unnecessary things in the market. We work purely on a price chart, clean market, and it's easier to make profits like that. So I'll show you guys how actually to go into it and how to be able to kill your short trades. Now, this is what we call a free course that does not need payment. Okay? Hope you guys are paying attention, and obviously would definitely take a lot of knowledge from what I'm sharing with you guys. Okay? So I'm gonna zoom into any section of the graph and show you guys how simple it is to kill a chart, to kill entry points. So all you do, you come on bigger time frames. Let me work with which part. I'm gonna work with this section. I'll highlight which part of the market I'm gonna break down and show you guys if you traded this section, how exactly you should have killed it, right? I'm gonna work from this. I'm gonna work from this part of the market here. You guys can see it. I'm gonna break down that point. That point most probably till here. So from this high to this low, from this low to the next high. So I want to show you if you traded this phase here on NASDAQ, how simple it was for you to kill it. So what you've done is that on a major time frame, you came and you highlighted on 4 hours. You came right now and you highlighted your high point, your highs and lows on 4 hours, right? So the trick now is that when you start going into smaller time frames, like right now, I'm gonna move slightly to 1 hour, right? So when we move to 1 hour, I'm waiting for the part that I highlighted. This is the part that I highlighted there. See what happens when you move to 1 hour. Smaller time frames, obviously, which means more candlesticks. More candlesticks because of it is a smaller time frame. So within 4 hours, you'll get 4 H1 candlesticks, and unlike the 4 hour where you only get one candlestick for every 4 hours. So I want to break down this market from here to this low that we picked up on H4 to that high that we picked up on H4, right? So before I do anything, I want to come in and pick up highs on lows on 1 hour. Highs and lows on 1 hour. So how I'm doing this now, I want to do this with a different color. So I used pink or purple. This is on 1 hour highs and lows. I'm gonna use a different color so I don't get confused. So for example, on this high here, I'm just gonna do this. Click on my horizontal. Just hold on, give me a second. Time to put my do that. There we go. Change color. Let's work with black. Let's work with black on this one. There we go. Just like that. Slightly thicker, just like that. So I'm gonna highlight my highs and lows on our, obviously. Just give me a second. I'm just waiting for. I'm failing to put my horizontal line in my chart, so it's giving me a bit of a problem. Let me use a different line. Okay. Okay, hold on. Just give me a second, guys. Okay, use this left. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm just trying to get my horizontal line to actually appear on the chart, and I am failing to do that. I am failing to do that. What I have to do now is make sure I reboot. Let me try to refresh the screen. I'm trying to refresh the screen, guys. Give me a second. Okay, let's go back to H4. My network, my Wi-Fi is still fine. Okay, my Wi-Fi is still good. Okay, let's try to pick that up again. I am struggling to get that. I don't know what's wrong with my platform. It seems fine. It really seems fine. So let's change time frames. It seems there must be something wrong. Just give me a second. Oh, okay. I think it's because I have not logged in. That might be the problem. So I'm just gonna give you a second to try logging in. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Give me a second to try actually fix that. I think I was not aware that I had not logged in. Let's do this. Yeah, well, are we logged in? Sorry guys, having a slight delay on the platform. It is slowing me a bit down. It is slowing me a bit down. It is slowing me a bit down. It is slowing me a bit slightly down. You're highly excited. Let me try to refresh, guys. Am I logged in? Am I logged in? Trying to refresh that. I wasn't aware that I'm not logged in. Shit. Don't tell me we lost our analysis. Fuck this. Don't tell me we just lost our analysis. Fucker. We just okay. Anyway. So, but are you guys picking up a lot? Are you guys picking up a lot? I'm almost up. It's almost up now. It's almost up. How do you need to trade? God bless you, King. Remove the fade. And leadership, please. What time frame do you use to enter the trades? We are getting there. You need to pay attention, guys, obviously, as I do my breakdown. So that was 4 hours. We're currently still talking for 4 hours, and there was a section that I wanted us to break down. So anyway, let me just do this. Yes, I will save the live. Are you willing to get back? Yeah, I am willing. We need to get back our analysis back up. Yeah, the same way I'm breaking down NASDAQ is how you break down USDT, and as I break down any other index, SP 500. Yeah, so you break it down the same way I'm doing it right now. Hope you are good, guys. So I wish I can be you one day. God bless, man. God bless. Okay, let's get it. Let's get this thing back up now. How did I place this? Tricky, man. Okay. Let's do that. Just give me a sec. That head, bro. God bless. Okay. I'm trying to put this in the best place possible. So yeah, I actually understand. So yeah. Perfect. Perfect leadership. Now do you think the bucket head is fire? God bless them for the live. Yeah, guys, we're getting back onto the chart now. Let's do this. Okay, like that. Let's get back into it. Was I like this? It was like this. I think it was like this. Let's do this. Let's turn off these comments. Let me turn off these comments. Turn off. Let's go. So guys, I wasn't updated. We lost our analysis, but it's nothing major. I will reanalyze everything pretty much. So I'm gonna do what I was doing. I'm gonna highlight the highest point there, pick up the highest point, lowest point, and then I'm just gonna go there. Actually, gonna highlight the highs and lows that I see on H4. I'll just do it again. I'll be quite fast now because you guys obviously already heard that and why I'm doing this, and I told you. So I'm gonna be quite fast now. I want us to get back to what we actually were doing. There's a low here, there's another low, there's another high there. Just need to get back to here. So I'm using blue now for my highs and lows in H4. You guys are aware. I'm using blue now, and that is not the original color that I use when I'm logged in. Analyzing like this, when I'm logged in, it updates on all my devices. So guys, now what I've done is that I've obviously picked up. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna find a section that I wanna break down, show you guys how to kill entry points. Okay, let's work with this part, probably from here. Change the color of this. to probably red, make it a bit thicker. So yeah, so this is H4. I'm gonna go down to lower time frames and I wanna break down how do you kill entry points, right? I'm gonna break down this part from here to both probably there. Is how to get the perfect entry. That's the question of the day. How do you make sure that you find the best entries out of this section? I'm gonna break down this part and show you guys how to actually kill entry points. Okay, so obviously you are on H4. 4-hour time frame is giving you a low, for example. If you are moving here, if the market is currently moving, for example, at this zone, right? If the market was moving, if the market was currently moving probably at this zone, at this low area, right? And you're trying to, okay, as you see that it has gone into your lower section, obviously, it's about to push up, and you realize, okay, what is your first skill on how to actually make sure you remain profitable? So actually, let me work with this part because I said I'll be analyzing from here. So I'm gonna work with this part here, this low here. Let's work with this low because I'm analyzing from there. So it's quite simple. This is 4-hour time frame. I'm slightly gonna move to 1-hour time frame so you guys understand what I'm talking about. When you get, obviously, when you move from 1 hour to 4 hours, I mean from 4 hours to 1 hour, what you're gonna experience is that you'll see a whole lot more highs and lows than you actually saw on 4 hour initially, because 1 hour's got more candles, and more candles means more traveling, and more traveling means more highs and lows. More highs and lows means more entry points. That's what happens when you keep going lower on entries. See now, the part that I want to break down is this part. It looks a bit bigger on 1 hour than H4 because why? 1 hour's got more candlesticks. So once we get into it, I'm going to zoom into this part here. Let's just say on this day and time, you are in the market. Maybe it's a Wednesday or it's a Tuesday, whatever the case may be. And you can see the market now from here. I'm analyzing from here. So after the market has come to this low section here, the blue line, that this low, you saw it on H4. The market has come here twice, doing something called obviously a double bottom, resisting to go any lower, right? As soon as you see this, you obviously know the market is about to push up to the upside. So all you do is that on your 1 hour, it's quite simple. Just take your horizontal line. You pick up the very first. So where could we possibly take our first buy on 1 hour? You're trying to make money from this low till that high. You don't want to trade the market for too long. You don't want to be holding for 2 weeks or 3 days. You just want to kill it today and then eat, relax, How do you make your money in like nicely, eat healthy and leave? It's quite simple. After picking up this low, what you wait for is for the market to give you the very first entry point after its major resistance. So once you see this, you realize, okay, the market now is definitely resisting. And when it resists, obviously it's about to give you direction. And in this case, it's about to give you an upside direction. All you have to do, don't try to be a hero. There's nothing, leave unnecessary information in the market. I'm breaking the market. I'm giving you, this is how you master your entry point, right? You might not understand me properly, but I hope you pick up as much as you can. Obviously, we are working through technology. So I'm not with you face to face, but I hope you guys can hear me, right? So from this low, all you do is either you take your very first entry point, and buying here at this point would be a nice trade to take, but however, it is a bit risky because you find that the market keeps coming back here a few times, and your account, if you cannot hold it, it might blow it. But in any case, I take the buy here. I'll definitely take the buy here. Take it a bit light. Don't go too hard. Don't kill your account, and allow it to give you space to breathe. Once it gives you enough margin, the next entry point, then you can take more trades. So it's simple. Once you see the market resistant like this, you know the market is going up. Obviously, it has proven it's resistant on 4 hour and 1 hour as well. So you try pick up, highlight the next high area. Highlighting the next high area would be this one. So if the market has to move up from here, when it moves from here, the next direction is up. Obviously, it has to push up and break its previous high. Previous high. Hold on. Oh shit, I just lost that. Okay, previous high would then be this section, right? This high obviously was given after the market was consolidating in one place for quite a while. So when it breaks here, obviously it is quite certain the market, after pushing up, it will definitely come back into here. Another trick that you guys don't know yet is that this is 1 hour. On a smaller time frame, this movement here, there's also entry points from here to here. There is entries just on a smaller time frame. Like now, We saw in H4 there was only how many time frames? I mean, how many entry points? H4. It's all the blue lines. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. We only saw 4 buys on H4, and then it gave us our take profit area, which was the highest point. So let's see now, by going lower to lower time frames in this area, is it easy for us to pick up more entries? So if the market on this day in time was moving at this point, the can 1 hour give us any more entries? Yes, it does. It pushed up, it came back. Obviously, sorry, just do that. Just want to move this up. Yeah, I put this right on top of that high. You can see the market came back to resist in that section there. When it hits that, obviously, as soon as you do that, you just put your line there. The market is giving you a new low. After a high, the market will give you a low. After a low, the market will give you a high. So your buy here, your buy from here, here, or from your triple bottom on 1 hour is definitely in good profit when it pushes here, right? It's your choice whether you're gonna hold or close, or you're gonna hold or wait for the next entry point and add, or you're gonna hold close and then take the next entry with more profits. It's all up to you. From this low here, you just enter more trades. The market pushes up. After every high is a low. I already told you guys that after every high point is a low area. If you want, all you have to do is just go in nicely and highlight it for yourself, just like that. If you feel like it's a bit complicated, after every high is a low. Your next entry point will be on your previous high. And remember here, we're dealing with 1 hour. This is obviously trades that entry points that take you quite a while to actually, a few hours to actually get the next entry point. So imagine as you get deeper and deeper into our entry points in low, I'll show you guys how to actually kill the entries within time, how to make money fast, right? After this low, you take more buys. The market what it pushes up. After pushing up, just highlight you just obviously highlight your high point, or you can highlight it nicely there. Highlight your high point nicely, just like that. So what you're dealing with is that the market always, one thing about the market is that the market always comes back. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to remove that. The market always comes back. So guys can see the market always comes back to its previous high. If it's going down, then go back to its previous low. After this, you took a buy, the market pushed up. Look at the tricky part now. When the market pushes up, you're definitely in deep profit. Now, this is your third or fourth entry point now, right? It spikes down. Technically or fundamental spikes down. Well, this we call a stop loss hunt. They're trying to kick you out or actually blow your account because obviously they can tell the consistency of the rise. If you're a good trader, you know that this will never affect you because it does not even go anywhere. Once it shoots down like this, you should never be scared. This is the part where you add more trades, right here. So right about this section. Why are they disturbing us? Why? Join for free. Join the community. Hi, man. I don't want to join no community. Okay. Give us a second, guys. Let me deal with this. Just do this. Let's do that. Stay on this page. I hope it didn't interrupt our analysis, guys. Okay. Got another interruption now. Another fucking interruption. Another one. These people, they don't like us, man. Why are they interrupting us like this? Why, guys? I'll leave this page, me. Charts. I was signed in. Okay. I'll be as good. Why is what Google? Why is press X? Click X. That. Oh. What? His strategy is working out there to miss our day. Honestly, good day. Sign in, King. I keep signing in. It fucking kicks me out. I'm signing in. Kick me out again. You'll know who the fuck I am, bro. I sign in, you kick me out. You sign in, you kick me out. Why, man? Okay, let's go. But yeah, guys, they see you empowering more young millionaires. Exactly. Satan or trading of you. Use MT4. I will MT4. What I think you almost, but I think you almost done. The devil is a liar, but I think you almost done. Yeah. Okay, please put this video on your YouTube leadership. I don't have YouTube, brother. Leadership. Well, now I understand the pullbacks because recently the market was pushing nicely, but it's hard. So many pullbacks. Definitely, you said that no busy. So NASDAQ is all about price action. Definitely. So, guys, I'm struggling to sign in because I think my password is problem. I'll have to fix that. I'll have to fix that once I'm off the live. Obviously, I'll be able to. I think I changed the password on one of my devices. So it could be my other phone, laptop, tablet, or actually my desktop. So, but however, you guys understand what I'm trying to actually say to you guys, right? So, obviously, since I'm having a problem with my platform, what I am going to do is that. So hold on a sec. What I am going to do, I will take a video. I will screen record a whole video. I will take the video after I've signed in and logged in, and then post the video on my wall. Okay, so that's a promise. The video, I will definitely take the video and post the video. I saw your bank account balance 36 million. That's nothing, man. You see, so I will share the video on my wall. I'll put the video out the latest by tomorrow. I'll put the video. You guys can take that video, save the video, and it will allow you to actually learn better. So if you want to save the video, you guys must go download one of these status download or like this Instagram post downloading apps. So you can be able to download the video and then obviously keep it on your phone. Okay, so for days where you don't even have data, you can just come and keep watching over and over again. Okay. So I wish I could give you guys a bit more insights. I wish I could give you guys a bit, but I'm gonna set up my things properly. Remember, I just got the office. We just recently set up the office. So there's still a few things that are still not in place yet. So I hope you guys really had a great time. Favorite song on Triple TM. Can we speak about that another time? We're talking money right now. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, so I hope you guys are good. The show us your bank balance. I don't have money, bro. I don't have money. So please reply to my DM after this live. I definitely will. So that's pretty much I'm gonna say, guys. I gotta go. I wanna prepare for my night as well and fix a few things that you did. So guys, that you did see. We did have slight glitches here on our platform, but I know you understood me. And our next market breakdown, I'll be going deeper on how to kill that sniper. Remember, I was moving from H4 to 1 hour, right? From H4 to 1 hour. Oh, great job, bro. Thanks a lot, Gary. Thanks a lot. That's one of my brothers. Thanks from all the way from the US, guys. Thanks a lot, Gary. Appreciate it. Coming from you. Definitely do. So the next market breakdown we're gonna have, guys, we're gonna go deeper. Remember, I moved from H4 to 1 hour, and I think you guys are starting to understand exactly what I'm talking about. So we're gonna move down all the way to 1 minute, and I'm gonna show you. I'll be getting deeper and deeper and showing you exactly how to fucking kill it, like how to fuck it up from the first second. So till 1 minute, how to actually be able to utilize the market. However you can. If you want to make your money now, you make your money now. Nice spaceship. Thanks, brother. That's supposed to have more accuracy. Highs and low. It's supporting resistance. The market moves like that. It's the nature of the market. It's the nature of the market to actually move within its highs and lows. It's how it's been moving like that before. I was born before the people that did it before me. One love, leadership, God bless. So, yeah, my bank balance is not something you should focus on. Focus rather on having something similar, you know. So we can relate in terms of bank balance. So I hope you guys, do you use trend lines? No, I don't use trend lines on NASDAQ. I don't do those things, you know. We're gonna get deeper actually. I'll show you guys, even whenever I do use trend line, I'll show you guys how exactly. We're gonna speak about our breakdowns. Our sessions are gonna be amazing. We're gonna speak about channels, a whole lot of things. I'm gonna show you how exactly to use your tools, you know. So be patient with me. I'm taking my special time to do this. I'm not paid for this. I do it out of heart, so I hope you guys really understand. Lost little while explaining one. When will the video be up? So, but the video should be up to work. God, post the video. I'll also share my mentors are here. Yes, your mentors are also here to learn. They're here for free classes. I'll share the link. You guys actually take the link and make great use of it, man. When I open the next market breakdown, I will share it tomorrow after I've done the video for you guys, all the audio, the video, and then you guys will definitely. Once you use that, then we'll definitely do it. As time goes, now that I've finished I'm almost done setting up my office. I think towards the end of the week or next week, I will be giving a whole lot of different content in the Telegram channel, not just signals, a whole lot of things that I'll be sharing with you guys, like, you know, more information, more charts, you know, a whole lot of things, a whole lot of things. Yes, the system is still available. I actually, I think this week we were just refreshing it a bit, but the system is definitely available. The face system, it has not been, we haven't been selling it or haven't been moving for about 2 or 3 weeks now. But the system is back up and running. The system is available. You guys do want that as well. Obviously, it's always best to have the best of both fields. I hope you guys are good though. Let me love and leave y'all. I wanna go start my night. I haven't eaten, so I need to eat. I haven't eaten. I'm feeling very like my body's quite disturbed. So I'll make balance, guys. Training camp, we'll speak about that right now. So I want to enjoy some time to myself and smash a few goals. I've got a short-term goal that I need to do within the next 2 weeks. A very short-term goal. So I won't say anything about it, but you guys want to see results. I'm a man of results. I speak on my word. I put my money where my mouth is, you know, so that's just how it is. You guys will see results. The goal that I've got, I'm taking it tonight. You know, the goal that I've got, I'm taking it tonight. The goal that I've got, I'm taking it tonight. So hope you guys actually quite good, guys. I'm gonna be out. Love and appreciate y'all. Love and appreciate y'all. From your boy, leadership. Peace. From my office to your house or to your room or to your apartment. It is what it is.